welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install VirtualBox on our PC to run additional operating systems. First of all, head over to your browser and download the operating system of your choice. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to download Windows 10. Type Windows 10 download in your search bar. Click on the second link. Scroll down and click on Download. Now, open a new tab and search VirtualBox Download. Select the first link. These are all the operating systems VirtualBox support. I will choose Windows because that is what I'm currently using. Now, open the VirtualBox. This is what it should look like. Select New. Move to the option that says ISO image and click on it to select the Windows 10 you downloaded. Check the box that says Skip Unattended Installation. On this page, choose the memory size, which is the same as the RAM, and also choose the processor speed of your choice. Now click on the EFI box. Then click on Next. Choose the amount of hard disk space you want to allocate to your virtual machine. In my case, I would prefer 40 GB, but you can allocate more if you wish. If you want to use any external storage, you can select the virtual disk option. Click on Next to continue to the next page. This page shows you the summary of all your choices. You can review it and change anything you don't like. When you are done, just click on Finish. Now everything is set. And click on Start at the top to begin with the installation. In case you encounter this error, select the Windows 10 ISO file you downloaded. Click on Mount and retry. Now the installation has started. Select your preferred language and then continue. Click on Install now. Enter the Windows activation key if you have any. If you don't have, click on I do not have activation key at down. Select the specific type of Windows 10 you prefer. I prefer Windows 10 Pro. Accept and continue. Select the second option, which says Installation Only. Click on Next. This will take some time to finish, just be patient. Select your region. Here you can select what you need it for. For me, it is personal use. Now enter your account details to continue, but I am going to skip that. The process has finally been completed successfully. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time.